and it's like holding it up. So I was surprised that the earthquake yesterday didn't finally give it the last push to fall down. I'm surprised nothing fell down in my house. キアラの家さ、めっちゃボロボロだから、昨日の地震の時、何も落ちてないことに私は驚いております。Because I saw on Twitter some posts from people who posted photos of the chaos that they have in their home. Like a shit ton of figures dropping down on the floor and stuff. And cupboards breaking and shit. Well, they must have been even closer to the earthquake at epicenter, I guess. Because even my place, where everything is just old as fuck, nothing fell down. キアラのとこは何も壊れてないし落ちてないけど、こんなにボロボロな家だから絶対なんか落ちるなって思ってた。うん。みんなのとこは落ちた？落ちたか？何か。But it was so strong. That was the strongest earthquake I've ever experienced in Japan. Because for the people who don't realize, Japan has small earthquakes every day because it's just in that kind of area where the plates, the Erdplatten, I don't know what you call it in English. Do you call it just earth plates? In English, you call it basically that. Under Japan, there's the Ring of Fire. I guess that's what you call it, huh? Yeah. The tectonic plates. That's just where Japan is, and they're moving around the whole time. I was raised in Australia, and up until I came to Japan, I've never ever experienced an earthquake. But adding this 1 year to my previous stays in Japan, adding them up, I've been in Japan for 3 years now, and never have I ever experienced something as strong as the one last night. 日本にはね、もう全部の滞在合わせると、キアラはもう3年間日本に滞在してますよ。でも昨日の地震がその滞在の中で一番強かった。Everything up until yesterday was really not a big deal. It's really just a lot of small, depends on where you live, I guess. But I've been lucky enough to only experience really, really small ones. And be in the right place at the right time, I guess. Yeah, I am. But yesterday, oh my god, wow! I thought I was on an airplane or something. It felt like an airplane taking off. 出発する飛行機のような感覚だった。いやマジでびっくりした。なんかすごい強かった。Yeah, it was like turbulences. Yeah, turbulences on an airplane. And I wasn't even in the strongest area. I don't know how strong it actually was where I was. I don't know the number, but it's definitely not even close to the strongest affected areas. So, oh my god. Holy shit. 10 years ago, I was not in Japan, but I followed what happened back then very closely, and it was apparently the same strength, the same level of earthquake yesterday night as 10 years ago. So I got really worried yesterday. That's why I wrote that long Japanese tweet at magnitude, yeah. I got really worried because it just reminded me of back then. It made me really sad yesterday. 昨日はね、なんか10年前のことを思い出して結構落ち込んでた。なんか私はそこにいなかったのに、みんながなんかその時 辛い思いをしたなっていうことを思い出すと、悲しかった。で、これからもなんかそういうことを送っちゃうんだろうなっていうふうに思うと、大変だなって、かわいそうだなって、頑張り屋さんだなって思うんだよ。You're misremembering, Kiara? Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean I misremembered? I guess it was even worse, that one. Okay, that one was stronger. Okay, but it was still pretty strong yesterday. But I'm glad that nothing extremely bad happened. And a bunch of viewers from the is that how you pronounce it? Epicenter of the earthquake wrote to me assuring me that they're fine. So thank God. Whew. Thank God. I was really relieved to hear that. Oh well. Everyone, if you live in an area with earthquakes or any other kind of natural disaster-prone misfortune, please be careful. Please. I can thankfully say that where I'm from, and where I'll be living again soon, there's no such things. Really nothing. There's literally nothing like that. We don't have any fires. Yes, Australia has no wildfires. Yes. Now this is where things start to not make sense anymore. Australia has no wildfires and no tsunamis and no earthquakes and nothing at all. Australia. Okay, there's a big difference. Big difference. But you're the wildfire. I am the wildfire. Yeah, the only thing that I guess could happen in Australia is what do you call it when the snow falls down from a mountain? I don't know what to call it. We do have that, I guess, every once in a while. How do you pronounce that? Avalanche? Is that how you say it? Is it like in the French way? Do you say it in the French way? Avalanche? Avalanche? Yeah? Good enough. Yeah, that's I guess the only thing. But I haven't heard of such things much. I don't remember that. I don't know. The only avalanche that comes to my mind is I think from Family Guy. That's the only avalanche that I can recall. I literally can't recall any other avalanches. Oh my god, yeah. I watched that avalanche episode in Family Guy. There was one in Family Guy, right? Or am I going crazy? Who told her to say it like that? Am I saying it wrong? Whatever, let's skip this now. We gotta read super chats.